Hello friends, I am Professor Asul sir from KKWA College Chandori. Today we are seeing that the cost and work accounting special paper first on SYBCom class. This is the chapter second, elements of cost. Elements of cost, it is a most important chapter in this syllabus. So we are studied that the what is meant by overheads. So first one, overhead is an aggregate of indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. So overhead are the operating cost of business enterprises. Overhead are the operating cost of business enterprises which cannot be traced directly to the particular unit of output. In this in this topic, we are studied that elements of cost, and classification of overhead. Classification of overheads are the types of five types. There is a function wise. Function wise, it is the first one factory overhead. Second is the administrative overhead. Third one is the selling overhead. Fourth one is the distribution overhead. Second most important point is the element wise classification: indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. Third one is behavior wise classification: fixed overhead, variable overhead, semi variable overhead. Fourth one is a control wise classification: controllable overhead, uncontrollable overhead. And last one, fifth one is a normality classification: normal overhead, abnormal overhead. Then one by one, first one overhead is a function wise overhead, factory overhead. Factory overhead is the most important. Factory cost or factory overhead, this is a cost which is incurred for the series of operation, that is the right from the supply of material, labor and expenses incurred till the completion of production. Thus material, labor and expenses, both direct and indirect, also constitute production cost. Example of manufacturing cost are material, labor and factory rent, rates and taxes, depreciation on factory building and plant and machinery. These are the factory overheads. Then second one is administrative overhead. This is the cost of running a concern, that is a form of framing the policies, directing and controlling all the activities of the organization other than manufacturing and selling cost. Distribution expenses. According to the ICMA definition, the sum of these costs are natural or general. The management of the accounting and administrative services which cannot be directly related to the production department, marketing, research and development functions of the enterprises. Examples of the administrative overhead, it is director fees, allowances, salaries of office staff, audit fees, legal expenses, etc. Then next one is the selling overhead. Selling costs are thus which are incurred of attracting the potential customer and retaining the existing customer. Thus demand is created in the market through advertisement and publicity so that new order can be secured. Selling costs include advertisement, hoardings, neon signs, etc. The next one is a distribution overhead. These expenses are the related to the selling overhead. Distribution expenses are incurred in the dispatching the product which is ready for after packing. These expenses include carriage outward, warehouse expenses, packing cost, ring cost, maintenance cost of delivery van, salary of the go down staff, etc. The next one classification is the element wise classification of overhead: indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. This is the most important classification of overhead: indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. Indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses, these are not related to the direct product. This is the indirectly related. Sum of the material is the cost of commodities other than the fixed asset introduced into the product or consumed into the operation of the organization. Material cost may be the either direct material cost or indirect material cost. The next one is indirect material. Indirect material is labor cost other than the direct labor cost and indirect labor cost. Indirect labor not directly engaged with the production process or production operation but only is assessed to help in the production operation. Example like a salary and wages paid to the foreman, supervisor, chargeman, inspector, etc. And these are the last element wise classification is indirect material. Indirect material is expenses other than direct expenses. These expenses are not charged directly to the production. Example of the indirect expenses like a rent and rates, taxes, salary and general manager, staff welfare expenses, etc. The next one expenses is behavior wise classification of overhead. On the basis of characteristics, costs are classified according to their nature or behavior in the relation to change in level of activity or volume of production on the basis of variability. Behavior-wise classification are: number first is fixed overhead. Fixed overhead means a cost which occurs or in relation to the passage of time and which within the certain output or turnover limits tends to do not vary with the change in production, increase or decrease in per unit fixed cost when volume of production changes. Fixed costs are apportioned to the department on some equitable basis. Fixed cost can be controlled mostly to the top level management. Then second one is variable cost. Variable cost like a aggregate tends to the vary direct proportion to changes in the volume of output or turnover. In other words, when volume of output increase, total variable cost also increase, vice versa, but the variable cost per unit remain fixed. And there is a last expenses of behavior wise classification is semi variable overhead. Semi variable overhead, a cost content both fixed and both variable elements, which is there partly affected by fluctuation in the volume of output or turnover. Thus costs are partly fixed and partly variable. A semi variable cost has often a fixed element below which is not fall in any level of output. The variable element is semi-variable. Thus, the example is electricity. Next, fourth one is a control-wise classification of overhead. Control-wise classification of overhead is defined as the on the basis of a cost chargeable to the cost center which can be influenced by the action of the person in whom control of the center is vested. Thus, cost whose size can be influenced significantly by particular level of authority in the organization are termed as controllable cost. Generally, direct material, direct labor. This is the example of controllable overheads. Then uncontrollable overhead, a cost of chargeable to the cost center which cannot be influenced by the actions of the person in whom control of the center is vested. Thus cost whose size cannot be influenced significantly by the particular level of authority. Last is the normality classification. Normal classification is a normal cost is defined cost which incurred normally incurred to the given level of output in the condition in which that level of output is normally attained. These costs are budgeted, which are always anticipated, and their value can be estimated in advance. They are unavoidable and recurrent in nature. Direct material cost like a labor cost, direct and indirect work expenses, etc. And this is the last one. Overhead is abnormal overhead is cost which not normally incurred at the given level of output in the condition in which that level of output is normally attained. These costs cannot be budgeted, which are unanticipated and are never provided. In this chapter, all these things are most important, like a classification of overhead. Then practical problem also include in this chapter, like a cost sheet. Cost sheet is the heart of costing. Okay, so this is the most important chapter in this syllabus. Thank you all of you.